Okay, it looks like question number 13 continues on from question number 12. It says, find the perimeter of the triangle formed by plotting the points -3, 5, -3, -2, and 4, -2. Those are the same points that we used in question number 12. So number 13 is going to be easy. If you remember that the perimeter is the measure of the edges of our polygon, or the sides of our polygon. All we have to do is add the side lengths together. Doesn't matter whether it's a triangle, a square, a rectangle, an octagon, a hexagon. Figure out the lengths of each of the sides and add them together to get your perimeter. So our perimeter in this case is just going to be 7 plus 7 plus 9.9, and that's going to be 23.9. Write that 9 a little bit clearer. 23.9, and we don't know if we're feet, inches, miles, so we're going to go ahead and write that as U, 23.9 units. Now we know that's approximately, because 9.9 I believe is an approximate answer to the square root of 98. But in this case, once we rounded it, we can go ahead and put equals. There's no harm done on that. We're asking usually your answers to be in 1 or 2 decimal places. And I believe this answer over here was actually 9.90 if you rounded it to 2 decimal places. Question number 14 follows along with number 12 as well. It says, find the area of the triangle formed by plotting these points. Same points. Let's go back to our triangle. Well, we know that area is equal to, for a triangle, it's equal to 1/2 of the measure of the base times the measure of the height or width. So we're going to call this just base times height. And for a right triangle, this actually is the measure of the 2 legs. Leg number 1, or one of the legs, is 7. The other leg is the exact same length. So our area here for this triangle is going to be 1/2 times the bottom leg, which is 7, times the vertical leg, which is 7. And that's going to be 1/2 of 7 times 7, which is 49. If you put that in your calculator, 1/2 of 49 is 24.5. And now we're going to use units squared. Remember, distance or length is one-dimensional. That's units to the first power. We don't have to write the first power because it doesn't change our units. Area is two-dimensional, so that it has to be in units squared. I should have actually underlined up here area just to remind us that's what we were figuring out. So 14 is finished.